All right now let's see how we can link our button and nav bars menu, this menu nav elements, how we can link them to pages, like for instance this about me and this portfolio. But before that, first of all, let's give a horizontal line to demarcate from this h1, which is designer, and the nav section from this paragraph of I'm a designer from Biafra land. All right, to give this horizontal line, we'll go under here and put angle bracket HR, close it. Let's save it and run it and see. Beautiful. Now it's looking nice. And then let us as well put it down here so that it will look a bit okay, since we are not using CSS to decorate and beautify some certain things, stuff like that. Let's also put it down here, angle bracket HR, save it, and let's run it to see what it looks like. Beautiful. That's cool. Okay, let's also put buttons here and see how cool it will look before we start linking them to a certain pages. Then let us go down here and use table, no, excuse me, use actually table, and let's use table role. Remember, the logic here is just the logic in matrix. Table rows, and let's go again. Table data. Here we will start putting things in, but since we are going to link them to pages, let's quickly take the A attribute, which is angle A attribute, so that we can link them to other pages later on. And here now, let's say we need my portfolio. Let's convert this my portfolio, which is singular button, now to line up with the one in a tabular form. My portfolio. Then let's copy and paste things now. Let's copy and paste things. This Control C, copy, Control V, paste, Control V, paste again, Control V, paste again. Now we are having 4 buttons. Let's save them and run it to see what it will look like down here. Cool, but they are not in a button form. Can you see that they are not in a button form? Okay, let's put them in button so that they will be in a button form. So let's undo all of this we have done now. Let's undo them so that everything will look super cool. So as we are having this TD attribute, so let's add immediately button here. Cool. Now we are having button attribute, button opening tag and the closing tag. Now let's put the A attribute, which will link it to other pages as we want, and the angle A now. Cool. So let's now put our what we need here as our element. Now we are having my portfolio. Then let's do copy and paste for paste, Ctrl V, paste again, paste again. We are having 4 buttons. Just for us to learn. Then you can add as much as button you want in respect to your choice and why you need them to be so. Then let's quickly save this and run it and see what will happen here. Beautiful. You see they have just showed up. Okay, let's take off this one since we don't need them anymore. Right now, let's copy and paste so that we can have another button under here. All right, here now we are having a table role. Okay, let's copy right from here to have another table role. Ctrl C, cool. Ctrl V. Let's save and run. Let's run to see. Beautiful. We are now having our our 8 button, but 8 is too much. Oh my god, 8 is too much. Let's delete one row. It's too much. What you're having here is too much. Is extremely much. Anyway, you can put as much as you want. It's not too much. It's just that what we need here is not. It's just for example for us to learn, you know. Okay, let's save and run it and see what we'll have. We're having cool, just 6 buttons. Okay, let's see if we can beautify this border and the you know. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, let's just use cell padding. Cool. Let's give it 5. Save and run and see what will. Yeah, cool. It has a bit of space. Okay, let's see if we can make the border look a bit presentable, you know, something like that. Let's see what will happen here now. Oh my god, what's happening? Anyway, let's do it from here. You know, let's put border. Cool. For this border, let's give it let's say 10. Maybe it will look nice. Let's save and run, see how it will look. Cool. You see the border is looking nice. Let's see if let's see if we can space the button a little bit from each other. Yeah, let's see if we can space them a little. I think it will make sense. Yeah, let's see. Let's do it. And let's make this cell spacing just let's give it 5. Let's give it 5 and let's run it again. Cool. But it seems like the border is too heavy for the page to carry. let's okay, now it's nice. It's nice now. It's not too much now. It's not looking too laborious and okay. Now we can see how to link these things up. Okay, before we link them, let's give them names because everything is having my portfolio, my portfolio, my portfolio right now. Let's see if we can specify each button's name. Okay, now we're having my portfolio already, so let's see if we can just say my channel here. Yeah, okay, so you can make any choice, anything of your choice. My channel, oops, to and my channel. Then let's also see this part. If we can make it like my e-shop. Yes, let's just say my e-shop. Okay, let's save and run. Cool. My portfolio, my channel, my e-shop. Okay, now we can link this page to whatever thing we want. So see how to link them in case you want to link it that way. For example, now we come here. Where is for the button? Let's come here. First of all, let's link about me up here. Let's link it and see what will happen. Let's go to Google and we go to Google. Let us actually make it big. Anyway, let's type Google here. Cool, google.com. And let's go to our Google. Okay. All right, let's open up here. Let's check out this. What's going on? Link? No. Let's go back. I don't understand. Alright, cool. As we are here now, how we can link? If you want, you can just come and take this URL up here, which is the name. Copy it. Then let's go to our code. Here's our code. There is about me. We'll remove that hash. Then you paste it, that link. Then save it, and that's cool. Let's go here and run it. Under this about me,
it's 7:45.
We can now run our thing to see what we have done. So you come here, run this. It's cool. Now we can click on about me. You see, it has directed us to this particular page. And remember, it is also possible to make this link to just open a new page. If you don't want it to get out of your your site page, you can just make it to create another page. It will just open up another page automatically. To do that, we can just use a different kind of attribute that will open another page, and that attribute should just be a kind of to add target. Here now, immediately we get this done. Before the closing, we'll just add target here. Target equals to, we'll now open this inverted commas and I don't know, hyphen bar, I think, blank. Let's put blank. And that's it. Let's save it and run it to see if we have really done something cool. We start using cookies to improve services, blah blah blah. Right here now, be mindful and watchful, see all the mistakes we are doing so that we can learn better, because without facing all these challenges, if all the video is done and well edited, you won't know that there are challenges you must face. So we have to encounter some challenges and difficulties so that we can know that we can't just be perfect, especially when coding is concerned. That's why we are trying to figure out it is actually not opening a new tab. It's supposed to open a new tab right here. Supposed to open a new tab. Okay, cool. That's it. Okay. We made a mistake. It's supposed to be underscore, not okay. Right here now, if we want to link it to another page, but out of our site page, for it to create another tab, we'll just use these attributes here. We'll just use this attribute, a kind of right now. As you can see, we have linked our about me to a web page. As we click it now, it opens here now. Let's save this. Okay, take a look at this. What happens here now? If we click on this, if we click here right now, it will open a new page in our web page. But if we want it to open a new page outside, to open a new tab, we'll just add target here, target equal to underscore blank, and the inverted comma should be here and also here. Cool. Then let's save it and run it now to see what will happen. Let's go back here now. Let's click now to see what will happen. You see it has opened a new tab, but even as we are still in our web page, it will just open a new tab. This is how to link any navigation menu to a given page. Same thing applicable to our buttons. If we want this button here now to be linked to any path at all, let's take for instance my channel or my eShop. But let's take for instance my channel. We come to my channel here now. We link it. These ones that are empty, let's put them hashtag since they are going nowhere for now. And this one as well, they are going nowhere for now, so that we will know that they are going nowhere. Then right here on this my channel, to link it now, let's go here now. Okay, to my channel, when we come here now, we'll copy what we are having here, copy, and let's go to this my channel and paste it. Then let's save it. Okay, right now let's run it. Cool. When we come to the web page now, go to my channel, you click it now. You see, it will take you to my channel. So this is how to link your buttons to any channel or any page, any web page, any, maybe you have e-commerce, e-shop, electronic shop, whatever page you want to direct it to, you can do it as well. If you also want it to open a new page, you still the same thing we did up here, same thing we did here. Let's just copy this. You see this target blank, copy, where is it, my channel, come here and paste it, then save it. If you go here right now, my channel, actually it's supposed to open a new tab. Let's save it. and see what happened. What really happened here? My channel. Okay, cool. It has opened a new tab. What actually happened here was that we didn't save it before running it to our page. So as we have saved it and run it now, it has done exactly what we want. So right here now, it has been perfect. See, we are still in our page, our site page, and also the new tab it has equally open. So it is all about knowing how to manipulate attributes. Attributes are mostly used for this linking of pages. All right. Thank you guys. We are going to now move to our next video, which will be much about designing and using our CSS to do a lot of beautiful stuff to make our site look very powerful and interesting. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.